Here I have Blackview A90, and today I'm going to show you how to take a burst shot or the series of photos on this device. So first let's open camera, then then let's switch to the front camera, and now by holding down shutter button we can take a burst shot. So let me show you. Continuous shot does not support when watermark is on. Please turn off the watermark. Okay, let's do it. And now, as you can see, you can also select like how many shots you want to take with the burst shot. So let's take 20, and here we go. You just hold down shutter button and it takes 20 pictures. And here you can find all of them. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.